Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix a Goodman furnace not turning on. So let's get started. First, check the power supply. Over here, make sure your furnace is plugged in and the power switch near it is turned on. After that, check the circuit breaker panel. If the furnace breaker has tripped, switch it off and then back on. Also, check the fuse on the furnace control board and replace it if it's blown. Then, check the thermostat settings. Ensure your thermostat is set to heat and the temperature is higher than the current room temperature. If it uses batteries, replace them. After that, set the fan mode to on. If the blower starts, the issue might be with heating control. Next, inspect the furnace door. Over here, make sure the access panel or door is properly closed. Open and reattach the panel until you hear a click to engage the safety switch. After that, check the gas supply. Make sure the gas valve is turned on and the handle should be parallel to the gas pipe. If there was a recent gas service interruption, wait a few minutes for gas to flow again. Then inspect the air filter. A clogged filter can stop the furnace from running. Locate the filter near the return vent or blower, pull it out, and replace it if it's dusty or dirty. Next, check the flame sensor and ignitor. Over here, a dirty flame sensor or faulty ignitor can cause issues. Clean the flame sensor gently with fine sandpaper, and if the ignitor doesn't glow when starting, contact a technician for replacement. After that, reset the furnace. Turn off the furnace power switch, wait 30 seconds, then turn the power back on. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds to clear minor control board errors. Then watch for error codes. Look through the small inspection window on the furnace. If you see a flashing red LED, count the flashes and check your user manual for the meaning. Finally, call a professional if it still won't turn on. The issue might be with the thermostat, control board, or gas valve, so contact a certified HVAC technician for repair. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.